Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the project overview of the residential project West County Sector 2 by Dosti Realty located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. To my left is the actual land parcel of phase 2, where you can see these are the actual towers and the construction is in full swing. In this video, we will be discussing about points like overview, location, internal and external amenities, carpet area, possession, parking, booking process and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now talking about the overview, this project phase 2 will be spread across the land parcel of 3 acres that will have 3 towers with 3 wings that will have ground plus podium plus 32 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Balcom Naka, Thane West, from where upcoming metro station is only at a distance of 5 to 10 minutes walk. Thane railway station is only at a distance of 20 minutes drive. Old Mumbai-Nashik highway is only at a distance of 2 minutes. Also, you have functional CBSE school within the vicinity of the project, and shopping centers are also within the vicinity of the project. And now talking about the amenities, in internal amenities you will be getting vitrified tiles, granite kitchen platform, stainless steel sink, branded fittings, intercom facility, ACs are provided and much more. And now talking about the external amenities, as you can see we are standing at the actual location. Here you can see you will have a football court provided. You will also get a squash court and a badminton court. Also, this project has 40 plus amenities spread across 2 lakh square feet of carpet area and which has clubhouse. You can also see you have an Olympic size swimming pool, you have a kids pool, you also have 2 cricket turfs. The project also have work from home station in the clubhouse. It has 2 banquet hall and 9 guest house. Also, it has kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the parking part, this project has basement and podium level of car parking facilities. Now talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 583 to 674 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 923 square feet. Now talking about the possession, as this phase has different towers, so possession varies from tower to tower. It is in the nearing possession of 2026. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, will show you the 3D model and the actual location, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 2 lakhs for 2 BHK and 3 lakhs for 3 BHK. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project West County Sector 2 by Dosti Realty located in Thane.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.